Hello, today I'm in Mercedes B180. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage map. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and now go to navigation. Here, go to view map, and thanks to map you can check your current position, you can zoom map out or in. You can check time, elevation, or manually set location on the map. Next you can set destination, check compass, my route, repeat prompt, mute, go to navigation settings, check notification, stop, check traffic info, recently found, points of interest, exit services, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.